So hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Aqua Station. So in this video I am going to discuss about how to remove bad smell from your aquarium. So a well maintained aquarium is not likely to ever develop, and bad odor are usually caused by decomposing biological material, which is bio-waste that has not been cleaned out. So uneaten food that is rotten underwater or excessive amount of normal fish poop is often the culprit. So here are some reasons for smell in aquarium. The most common cause of a smelly tank is a dead fish. It may be several days following the death of a fish before the owner realizes something is missing. The fish may have eaten in and out of the corner of the aquarium and died, releasing protein and oil that float to the surface and releasing gas. So promptly locating the body and removing it should eliminate the odor from your fish tank. And the next cause is excess food. So overfeeding is another common cause of bad odors or in your fish tank. So uneaten food falls to the bottom of the tank, where it promotes an overgrowth of bacterial colonies. As the bacteria grow exponentially, they release waste gas that have an odor. And the next cause is decomposing plant. While it is less common than decomposing proteins and oil, a rotting plant even underwater can emit a horrible smell when left unattended. Luckily, dead plants are easy to spot. They often turn a slimy brown or black in color. And the next cause is waste from an overstocked tank. So excessive bio-waste can also be the result of overcrowding. Overstocking the tank means that too many fish are living in too small a volume of water. So when fish eat, they produce excrement. As the number of fish increases, so does the fish poop. Eventually, the overabundance of waste is too much for filters and beneficial bacteria to process it. Now let's talk about how to prevent water from smelling. The first thing to do is to keep a good running inventory on your fish. Be aware that sometimes fish are consumed by their own tank mates, so a missing fish may never be found, but predation won't cause an odor into your tank. If a decomposing fish body is not the source of the odor and all of your fish are present and accounted for, then the problem is likely due to a buildup of organic material in or on the gravel. Use a gravel cleaner to clean the substrate either inside or outside the tank. So these are all information regarding how to remove bad smell from your aquarium. I hope this video will help you. More videos are coming soon, so please stay tuned to my channel.